You know, those days where you didn't really plan to stop, but there's something in the air, in the moment, that makes you pause. But something feels special. Let's make today one of those moments. Whether you're outdoors or out, come join me for a few gentle stretch and let's see where today's story is leading us. Sitting in an easy seat here, doing a few reach. Want to add the breath to this? Inhale on the way up. Exhale on the way down, or actually even better, match your movement to your own breath. We're just adding a little bit of energy to our day right now. Maybe both arms at the same time and go at your own pace, at your own range of motion. This could be up for you. This can be up. So inhale up, exhale down. Next time your arms are up, put your hands together, exhale to the heart center. Inhale back up, exhale your arms to the side. Now, let's go on a tabletop. Oh, this is always nice outdoor to do. Your hands and knees, wrist under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Let's start with a little cats and cow. Exhaling all the air out. Push the air out. Press in your hands and inhale. Belly button draws towards the mat. Shoulders, your chest sinks between your shoulders. Keep breathing. If you're there for a moment, just keep breathing. Don't hold your breath because I'm still talking. And like we did with our arms, you can match that to your own breath. So matching the movement to the breath, not the other way around. Oh. And next time your back is in center, stay right there. We're gonna press in our hands and make sure you don't press with your wrist. But right below the fingers where your hands start, that's where I want you to press. You don't want all the weight in your wrist. See if all the weight goes back in your wrist when you get back in tabletop, and try to distribute that forward too. Maybe even in your fingertip. Grab the mat with your fingertips. Oh, let's wag our tail. The dog goes to the park. It's a day at the park, right? A nice day at the park. Some people calls it a walk in the park. Those are the best. Yes. Inhale, one arm up. Put the opposite knee back. Nice stretch here. Anything doesn't feel right, just come out of it. And center. Again. Oh, other side. Oh, nice stretch here. Ugh, go away from me. Nice stretch here. The joy of filming outdoor, bugs, noise, whatever. Now you can repeat that, or maybe lifting one arm and putting your toes further with the knee up, or maybe lifting the leg. Tuck in your belly here, tuck. Nice core work. Little addition, maybe exhale, knee to elbow. Just a few of those on exhales if you want. That's all optional. And other side. And maybe that's your other side. And you still can do a little reach too that way. Or you can lift. Tuck your belly. We're lifting that leg. Reach forward and reach through your heel, through your fingertip. And if you want, add a little extra core. Ooh, and a nice little balance work too at the same time. Exhale. Something cool about filming outdoor. The ground is always uneven. So it challenges our balance a little bit. And that's cool. Bring my elbows down here. Nice little puppy pose. Drawing the chest towards the mat. Maybe the forehead wants to touch the ground. That's all good. Just a couple breaths like that. Then lift your fingers, your hands, and grab the mat. Shift your body forward. Grab as if you're grabbing the mat and pulling yourself up. Oh, nice little Sphinx here. Nice little Sphinx and looking side to side. Oh, yes. Nice little pretty flowers. And oh, nice side to side. Start shifting your hips a little more. Oh, shift your hips if it feels good. What do we do if it doesn't? We skip that move, right? Oh, nice. Press into your hands. Come back. We're just going on our knees here, sitting on our knees. Take a moment just to restitute and assess how your body's feeling. You built a little bit of energy here. Let your brain catch up with that. Oh, adding a little breath, exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down. Maybe inhaling up with the bum up, that's an option. That's always fun. If you want, you don't have to. You can stay down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Next inhale, bring your hands forward, elbows down. We're going in child pose. You want to fold on your legs. So if you have a bigger belly, just bring your bugs, bring your legs apart to accommodate that. See what's comfortable for you, really. That's what we should do. And maybe the forehead wants to go on the ground. Just resting the lower spine or body. Your arms can be to your sides. They can be above your head. They can be where you want. Lots of options. Lots of options. So find what's comfortable with you, but don't get so comfy because guess what? We are coming out of this. We're just gonna turn to our back. So I'm bringing my knee in. Just turning myself around here. And just coming down. Ooh, the sun's, the sun's in my eyes. So one of the downfall of filming outdoor is I look like if my eyes are always closed. But let's get moving here. Just bring your knee towards your chest. Give it a nice hug. Big inhale, exhale the knee to the side and try to keep both shoulders to the ground. You don't have to bring your knee all the way because if your shoulder comes back up, you want to pin that shoulder back first and then put yourself back into your nice little twist. Oh, other side. Nice little knee hug. Little knee rolls maybe. And let's press to the side. Oh, both shoulders on the mat. Oh la la. Oh, now let's hug both knees. Oh, both knees. Oh, while we're here, let's add a little happy baby. Usually I save that for the end of the class. But we're just gonna do it right now because it feels nice. It's fun. Oh, you want to rock back? You want to rock back into a seated position? Nice little massage on the back. And here we come. Or you can turn to the side and press yourself into a nice seated pose here. Nice easy seat. Oh, let's add one breath up. Exhale to the side. Shoulders open. See my hand? I'm going to thread the needle. Oops. Right there. Yeah. If you're on your knees, you can go a little deeper. That's cool. Open. One more time. Exhale. Thread the needle. My hand's barely making it there. Opposite knee wants to go towards the mat. Other side. Nice little stretch. And if you want, thread the needle. You'll thread the needle. Yeah. There. Inhale. Reach, 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 reach. Grab, 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 grab. Grab all the clouds. Pretend they're ice cream. Eating the clouds and exhaling our hands down. Let's eat a few more clouds. Inhale. Grab, grab, grab. Yum, yum, yum. Nice little wrist rolls at the same time as you're eating your cloud. Exhaling back. A little shoulder roll here, up and back. Oh. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you would like to keep going, my classes are meant to stack up. So you can pick another one and keep going if you wish. And until then, namaste.